Hello event organizers, Keshav here from Sessami. In this explainer video today, I'll be going through the latest and exciting update on Sesame, which is the new discounts feature. It is fully live and available on Partners Studio. So you can go to the discount tab and start creating discounts for your event tickets and much more. So let's look into this. In this test account, we already have some discounts for demo, but let's go ahead and hit create. You could also use this top button over here and create the discount. Both are also the same thing. So we have a form. Let's go through the form and see what everything does. So first we have a promotion name. We have March going on. So I would say March promotion, just as an example. Then we have the next as discount type and the percentage based discount. The general rule of thumb is if you have a large value ticket, say £100 or more, you may be interested in giving a fixed discount, £10, £20, and so on. But if you have more regular tickets that are around £10, a tenner, or a £15 tickets, you can't be able to afford give a huge £5 or £10 discount. So in those cases, percentage based discount is a good way to go. So I'll say 20% for this example. I'll say March 20, for example. Fun fact, discount codes are never case sensitive. Next, we have discount visibility. So this one is interesting. You could go ahead and make this private. As soon as you make this private, Sesame takes hands off from this discount code and won't be promoting this discount code anywhere. So you see, if you make it public, your discount code will be visible to all the customers during checkout. And we haven't built this feature yet, to be honest, but we will be building it over the course of coming weeks. But if you make this private, it's only up to you and it's only visible to customers you share the code with. Next, we have usage limit. Say you create 10 of these, and you could also say your discounts is valid for first 10 customers. You may want to use minimum purchase as well, because say your average order value, which we show in the dashboard, is around £10 and you want to push it or promote it, then maybe as an experiment, again, there are many discount codes you can do. So as an experiment, you could try some codes where you enforce a minimum purchase value of 10 or 20. It's up to you. So in this example, I'll leave it empty for the time being, and I will go ahead and publish. And you see a button over here that says show advanced options. Do you want to see the advanced options? So let's take a look. So we have two of these over here. So the first one says valid dates. So I did say this is a March promotion, but I haven't specified the dates, meaning although it's named March promotion doesn't mean a thing. It can be used anytime, right? As long as it's valid, as long as it hasn't crossed this threshold. But say I want to only run this promotion in March. It's pretty simple. I can enforce the date. I can set the start and end date to fall within March. And there you go. You just applied this promotion and you don't have to come back and turn it off. It will be automatically invalid beyond that date, or automatically invalid once 10 people use this on 10 orders. Then the next thing is over here is the scope, or where it applies to. Right now we only give you one option, and we decided to keep it so that you know that in future we will be building discount codes to support specific events, specific tickets, memberships, and products that we are building on the side. So once everything is done, you are ready to go ahead and hit save. So now your discount code is live, and I'm not sure which one we just created. Was it March promotion? So you have the discount code over here. Hit copy and you are ready to go. You can distribute with all of your customers, and then you can see that there is a little checkbox over here that signifies that this is an active discount code, and you can see that 0 claims, or it has been used 0 number of times out of 10, and it doesn't have any cart minimum, whereas others may have a cart minimum. And you can see, you can set all these things, and you can also experiment this to see what really suits your audience, what people really like. It's meant to be used as a marketing principle where you say someone that, hey, you can save 20% on your next purchase. So it automatically trips up the parts of your brain where the human beings wants to save the loss. It's called loss aversion principle by Daniel Kahneman. I think he's a Nobel Prize winning economist, author, researcher. So yeah, just make a subtle difference in the way you share it with your customers is by, hey, please, you can use this discount code to save 20% on your next purchase. So there you go. Let's see a demo, right? I would add the discount code that I just applied, which should give me a 20% off. I'll apply the 20% off. My ticket is at £81 along with the fees. I'll go ahead, I'll add my payment card only if I could. Okay, now I can hit enter, and yes, my order has been confirmed. If I go and visit my order detail, you'll see that I got a discount. With 20% discount, I managed to claim £18 and I paid £81 for this event ticket. I hope this was helpful. Let us know if you have any thoughts, feedback on the feature, on how we do this. Oh, wait, I do need to show you how and where you can see all of these things. So you already know that you can see the usage count over here, how many times this has been used. So let's say someone just used FunFev20 for 20% discount. Let's refresh this page, and you can see that FunFev20 should have been used by, which one did I use really? Oh, I used March 20. So March 20 has gone up by 2. We could also verify this by going to the event, visit Vietnam. You could go to the guest list, and on the guest list you can see, you can now have the discount claim and discount code coupon, and you can turn this on or off. It's up to you, but you can see that this has been over here. If you want to see how much discount has been claimed within this event, you can see this event has 246 pound has been claimed as discount within this event, which will certainly affect your potential, which is the maximum amount. Even if you sold out, it will be short by this much amount of discount. And 11 orders were using discount code. You could also see this in your homepage over here. Yeah, you can see one discount was used just today for 18.76. So there you go. Yeah, I did mention about average order value over here. We can push that average order value. Let's say your average order price is £11. You could push it by exerting minimum cart value. Say you go over here in any ticket. For example, over here, you say it's a percentage based 80% discount, but in order to claim an 80% discount, you need to have a minimum purchase of, let's say, £100. So let's say this is Max Monday 880, and let's say I add a £10 ticket and I buy, and I say MM80. It says, hey, the minimum ticket subtotal excluding fees must be £100 for the discount to be applied. But over here, I go and add this ticket, a £100 ticket, and say MM80 again. Now I get a discount, a huge discount of £83, 80% off. I can buy this in £27. Please keep in mind the fees will always be enforced to the original subtotal, and the discounts won't be affecting the fees for Sessami side. Yeah, continue, and there you go. By the way, this is just a test account and test card, so there's nothing to hide really any moment now. But there you go. Ooh, £27, and the discount has been over here. The discount amount is also reflected on the order confirmation for the end customers. I hope I have covered all the things and haven't missed anything. The discount usage graph will be available here as well as on the homepage over here. Ticket sales, you have all these metrics. You can go and see discounts claimed. So now we have 2 discounts claimed that claimed approximately £101 and 8 and so many zeros. Yeah, we need to fix that. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Thank you for watching. Fine. We hope you find this feature helpful, and let us know if you have any feedback. You can directly provide feedback through this form. If you need anything additional, please let us know, and we'll see if we can incorporate into the existing workflow. Let's say you want to kill a discount really quick. Can we delete this Max Monday? So once a discount has been used by someone, we can't be deleting it because it will affect the calculation processes and a lot of the other things. So what you can do is you can pause this instead. So the discount code has been paused. Data should refresh. It's not refreshing, so I'll do a manual refresh. And Max Monday, it's not paused, right? Oops, we need to fix that. But you can come in over here and deactivate the discount. So Max Monday is now deactivated. You can deactivate another one. So we'll try to bring this feature upwards. All right, there you go. Thank you for having me.